One of my favorite locations to photograph is the Giving Pond. It's a 62-acre former sand and gravel quarry located in close proximity to the eastern bank of the Delaware River. It's approximately 2 miles downstream from the village of Upper Black Eddy in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. My plan for the day was to get here early in the morning to capture the fog on the lake. Unfortunately, Mother Nature had different plans. Since there was no fog, I had to change my plans to capture some landscape shots. The sky wasn't too terribly cooperative either, so I thought I would hike down the adjacent D&L trail, and here are some of my finds. As we hiked back to the pond, I noticed there was now some definition in the sky. Here are the results of a few of the shots. As we made our way back to the Giving Pond, we were greeted with this beautiful butterfly. I was fortunate to capture some video of this guy. And if you look around the leaves, you'll notice what appears to be some residue, and those are actually tiny little moths. This final image turned out to be my favorite of the day. I really enjoy the clarity, the sharpness, and the dynamic range I was able to accomplish. The point of this video is to always have a plan, but when conditions don't allow you to follow it, don't pack up, but find other opportunities. See you soon.